In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward incoming email with Mailgun. First, log in to your Mailgun control panel. Once you're on the dashboard, we'll head to the place where Mailgun decides what to do with incoming messages. Open the navigation and go to Send, then Receiving, and select Routes. Think of routes as rules. When a message arrives that matches a condition, Mailgun performs the actions you specify. Click Create Route to add a new rule. You'll see two main parts: the expression, which defines what to look for, and the actions, which define what to do when there's a match. For the expression type, choose Match Recipient. This tells Mailgun to evaluate who the message is addressed to. Use this option when you want to forward mail sent to a specific inbox or alias at your domain. In the recipient field, enter the exact address you want to catch. It can be a team alias, like a support or info inbox, or any address you've decided to monitor. Keep it precise so you only capture the messages you intend to handle with this rule. Now move down to Actions. Choose Forward. In the forwarding field, type the destination inbox where you want these messages delivered, such as your primary mailbox. Take a moment to double-check for typos here. Even a small mistake can cause messages to go missing or end up in the wrong place. Keep this simple with a single forward action so every matched message is relayed consistently to the same destination. Next, set the priority. Lower numbers run first, which is important if you have multiple routes that might match the same message. If this rule should take precedence, assign it a smaller number. If it's more of a fallback, choose a higher number. Clear, intentional priorities help you avoid surprises and make troubleshooting easier later. When everything looks correct, click Create Route to save it. The rule becomes active right away, and any incoming message that matches the recipient you defined will be forwarded to the destination you selected. If messages aren't arriving where you expect, review the recipient you're matching, confirm the forwarding address, and check that no higher priority route is intercepting the mail first. And that's all there is to it. You've set up Mailgun to forward incoming email exactly where you want it, keeping your inbox organized and your team responsive.